In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove DuckDuckGo. Search from Google Chrome. By the end, you'll switch your default search engine away from DuckDuckGo, remove DuckDuckGo from Chrome's search options, and restart Chrome so the change is fully applied. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're in a standard browsing window so the settings look familiar on screen. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens the main Chrome menu. Click Settings. The Settings page opens in a new tab. Now, go to Search Engine. If you see a sidebar on the left, click Search Engine there. You'll land on the section that controls which search engine Chrome uses. Select a different default search engine. Use the drop-down labeled Search Engine used in the address bar, and choose the one you prefer, such as Google or Bing. This immediately tells Chrome to stop using DuckDuckGo as your default, which is important before you remove it from the list. Click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This opens a page showing all search engines Chrome knows about, divided into search engines and site search. Find DuckDuckGo in the list. If needed, scroll through the search engines section first. If you don't see it there, check the site search section below. You're looking specifically for an entry named DuckDuckGo with the DuckDuckGo.com domain. Click the three dots next to DuckDuckGo. A small menu appears next to that entry. Click Remove from List. This deletes the DuckDuckGo entry from your Chrome search engines. This action only removes the search provider from this list. It does not affect your bookmarks, history, or other Chrome data, so it's safe. Restart Chrome. Close all Chrome windows, then open Chrome again. Restarting ensures Chrome fully applies the change and doesn't reference the removed search engine. At this point, DuckDuckGo is removed from your Google Chrome search engine list, and your new default search engine is set and active. The task is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.